Let's have a look at the question.
A solid cube of 8 centimeter has been painted red, blue and black on face of opposite faces. It is then cut into cubical blocks of side 2 centimeter each. How many cubes have two faces painted red and black and all the other faces unpainted? We are told a solid cube of size 8 centimeter has been painted red, and they have told that you're going to take out a block of side 2 centimeter each. So if you're going to divide it into a size of 2 centimeter each, I can say 8 by 2 is going to be a 4. So I can say that I'll be having 4 pieces on each dimension. It's a 4 by 4 by 4 cube with each cube of size 2. So the cube will somewhat look like this. This is going to be 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 2 centimeter. This is how it looks like. So similarly 2 centimeter along its length and height. So they are told it has been painted red, blue and black on the face of opposite faces. If this is going to be red, the opposite faces is going to be red. If this is going to be blue, the bottom will also be blue. If this is going to be black, this side will also be a black. So this is how it looks like. Now they have told how many cubes have two faces painted red and black. Two faces painted red and black and all the other faces unpainted. So they are asking about two faces painted red and black. So if you want to get two face painted, then you have to look along the edges. And they have also added red and black. So you have to look into the edge where red and black are connected. So if you're going to look into this is a black and this is a black. So I can say that this is that particular edge where red and black are connected. They are told two face painted and others are unpainted. So I cannot take out with this three face painted. So I can say 1, 2 over this side, 1, 2. So I can say 4 over the first face and similarly 4 on the other face. So the answer will be 4 plus 4, which gives 8. Next, let's move on with the question number 2 here. How many cubes have one face painted red and all the other faces unpainted? Yes, if I want to check out the cubes with one face painted, then I have to look into the face. How many faces we have with red color? We have got two faces. We have got two faces. So I'll take a 2 into. In one face, how many are there? One face painted red. So it will be this section. So it is nothing but n minus 2 whole square. N is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 square is going to be 4, which is going to be 8. 8 cubes which have one face painted red and others are unpainted. Next, let's move on with the question number 3. How many cubes have two of their faces painted black? If you want to get any two faces painted, then you have to go along with the edges. So if you're going to look into the arrangements they have given, black and black, they are on the opposite faces. So in order to get two faces painted black, black and black should be adjacent to each other. We don't have any faces which are adjacent, colored black. So the answer is going to be 0 here.
Thanks for watching, and for more updates on similar videos, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.